To enable Google Analytics 4 setup, start by creating a Google Analytics account if you don't already have one. Once you have an account, sign in and click on the admin button at the bottom left corner of the page. Next, select the property for which you want to set up Google Analytics 4. And then click on the GA4 Setup Assistant. This will guide you through the process of setting up Google Analytics 4 for your property. You will be asked to create a new GA4 property, which will be a separate property from your existing Universal Analytics property. Choose a name for your GA4 property, and then click Next. On the next page, you will be given the option to enable data collection using a tag or by copying and pasting a code snippet onto your website. If you are using Google Tag Manager, you can choose to use a tag. Otherwise, you will need to copy and paste the code snippet onto your website. After setting up the tag or code snippet, you will be asked to configure your data stream. This involves specifying the type of data you want to collect, such as web or app data. Choose the type of data you want to collect, and then click Next. Finally, review your setup and click Finish to complete the process. Your Google Analytics 4 property is now set up and ready to start collecting data. It is a good idea to verify your setup to ensure that data is being collected correctly. To do this, navigate to the Reports section of your GA4 property and look for the Real-Time Report. This report will show you the number of active users on your site in real time, and will give you an indication of whether your setup is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a smooth transition to Google Analytics 4 and start taking advantage of its advanced features and capabilities.